G'day.
How's it going?
Good. And yourself?
Good, I'm ready to fish.
Sweet. Are you ready to catch some giants?
Yeah, let's do it.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. That's right. Today I'm fishing with Gloria. She's over there. She is from the United States and she did travel to New Zealand by bicycle, right?
Yeah.
Is that right? I would be too lazy for that. And today we are on the hunt for some giant trouts. Hopefully we can make it happen. The water looks a little bit dirty. It looks literally like poop, but yeah. Let's see if we can get some fish.
Woo!
What was that? Sorry?
Woo!
Woo and stuff. Okay. Okay. I'm here to catch a brown trout, but we had some rain last night. I see actually one, and the water is dirty as. I see a brown trout. Got one. Yeah. I'm good. That's easy over 8 pound. Big old jack.
This thing's cute.
Look at that beast of a fish. Oh, I'm so stoked. There he goes.
How do I stop this?
Whew.
Good work!
Whew. I'm happy that I took my caddis.
That was amazing. That was like one of your first casts.
Third cast. Third, yeah. Oh, that was a little bit too much. I got one. I think feels like a brown. It's a brown. Nice. Maybe we should keep fishing that river. Second cast too. Struggle with that long leader.
Do you need me to net it? Oh, nice! That's a beautiful one.
Alright, another tank. I'm totally stoked. I'll let her go. Don't want to stress her out too much. What a beautiful fish. It's gorgeous. I'm so stoked. I caught another brown trout from there. Second cast, literally second cast. Boom. We were about to leave and check out another river because it's pooping brown, but it's good conditions to catch brown trouts actually. They can't see us. If you know where they hang around and you get that sort of watercolor, like it's a little bit colored up, it's actually pretty good. Good conditions to catch some browns. We might stick a little bit longer to that river and maybe later we fish somewhere else, but yeah, we try to catch another brown. Stick with us and hopefully we catch some jats. Rainbow. Thanks for playing with me. fish on. That's a brown, I think. I think so. Oh, it could be a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Nice rainbow. Man, my purple caddis is killing it. The purple habanero.
Oh, dang. Woo! Woo! Wait,
Nice little chromie.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Thank you, girl. Yeah! Whew! Gloria's hooked up. That looks fake. What is it? Hey?
It's brown though.
Ah, nice. First brown. We changed the rod angle, it's gonna turn. Like, there's another brown trout right there. So like, and then back. Oh, shoot. Gloria. Good job.
Oh, oh my god, it's beautiful.
Let him go. There he goes. Good job. It's gonna be the biggest brown for a while. Guarantee you that.
Yeah, I don't think I'll be getting one like that in America.
But
Oh.
good day, guys. I just finished editing the video. Unfortunately, I lost the outro portion of it. That's why I'm just doing the outro now. Yeah, we had a super epic day. Probably one of the better days on the local river. We actually filmed that video a few months back, and we had some dirty water, which can be quite good if you know where the brown trouts usually hang out. Just target those specific areas. If you do like what I'm doing, if you do like the video, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment down below what you want to see next. And I might actually do some fly tying videos in the future because some of you guys have been asking for that. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you all in the next video. See ya.